Building custom solutions with the Open Automation Software IoT platform can be easily accomplished with the built-in programmatic interfaces. OAS includes both .NET components for any .NET application and exposes a REST API for any development environment. OAS implements REST standards using JSON over HTTP, providing read and write access to live Industry 4.0 data, historical data, and server configuration of the OAS platform. The OAS.NET Data Connector provides real-time data access to read and write to all OAS device and software connectors. Create your own drivers for OAS using the Universal Driver Interface SDK. All OAS configurations can be created with .NET applications or through the REST API. Data from any programmatic interface can then be used to create visualizations for .NET, web, and even native iOS and Android applications. Utilize OAS distributed network architecture to execute applications remotely. The OAS platform is an edge-deployed solution for Linux, Windows, Docker, and so efficient that the complete platform can run on hardware as small as a Raspberry Pi. Visit openautomationsoftware.com to view our knowledge base for easy-to-follow steps to use our programmatic interface. Download OAS to start your free trial today.